Hi, now we are doing to unboxing the 360 auto face tracking. This is Q02 360 rotation, AI intelligence, autofocus, also paired with a tripod. 360 rotation is made in China. This is cost $30 from the store. I bought it, but in online I think you can buy it minimum 20 to 25 US in online shop, and this is what I bought from the store. It is cost me $30. Now we're gonna open it. Let's see what is inside. Gotta drop it all, everything. There's nothing more inside. No, nothing. Oh, see, there's a stand from it, a manual. Oops, sorry. Manual, English. Everything is English, Chinese. Instructions. Everything is inside. How to use an
battery below 25%.
Auto face tracking. Inside, this is the unit from inside. Oh, this is the mount pad. This is the camera. This is the remote selfie. You can remote wirelessly by selfie using by Bluetooth. This is the connection for the stand. Let's see. And this is all the accessories. The accessories has a LED light. I think LED light. This is charging by USB Type C. Both of them, they are charging USB Type C. And this is it. And this is the cable of it, USB Type C. And see, let's see if this is working. Oh, it's working. This is blinking, and turn it off by holding the button and press it. Press, just press. You can see it will turn it on. See, there's a different kind of light. Just hold and to turn it off. Okay, so this is working. Let's see to the test that auto face tracking right now. Just holding the button. Where's the button? Here. Oh, when it's turned to the green, it means it's working. Now it's gonna search my face, and if I go turn here, it is looking for me. Let's see. Turn it like that. Oh, see yet. Oh, it's turned. I think it's looking for my face. I think so. Let's see how it's working. Let's press it again. Oh, wow. I think it's looking for me. No, it's all good. I think so. It's all good. Okay, and thank you. This is auto face tracking. And the stand, you can just turn it off by holding off.